Good morning children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. I hope all are safe at home and practicing all that what we are saying then, what we are giving the work. I hope that you are all posting your writing works through worksheet. What I gave the work you are posting in your concert class group teachers. Then now see, today's topic was दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. Yesterday in the class, means in previous class I explained some barakhadi and some words I taught na. Then some words I told you that only 2-letter words I told you that the 2-letter words also without the symbol. Then see, if you knowing that all the barakhadi, see you can read this letter. It is coming as word also. What is that? Da. If I close this one, you can see easily what is the letter and what is the sound of the matra. Da and what is the matra? O ki matra. Da and O, do. Okay. Then next, what I am writing easily you can read then. See, if you read one letter, it is easy to read all the words. See, only 3 letters I am written here. You can read these 3 letters. A, sha, ra. Akshar. Do akshar. Now see, what is the letter? Va. Va. And which matra? By writing time, when you are writing on the paper or if you are practicing, you have to read the letter and symbol, both sounds. Okay. Va and which matra? A. Wale. दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. See, दो अक्षर वाले शब्द means 2-letter words. 2-letter words. Everywhere 2 letters are there. Then I explained before class, in previous class also, that how we are going to form the letters. Easy means which letter we are taking and the two letters we are joining. Then what is the sound of that letter and how we are going to pronounce that letter. Up to how much time we have to say them. Okay, that easy way I already shown that. Yesterday in previous class I already taught that some words, easy words and hard words. In this words no means shabd means word. Do means 2, akshar means letters, do akshar wale shabd. Shabd means word. Shabd means word. These words are 2 types. See, one is sardhak and another one is nirardhak. Sardhak means meaningful words. That words particularly having the meaning then. A particular meaning. Nirardhak shabd means that word did not have any meaning. That we can't say any meaning is there in that one. Okay, those are the nirardhak word. Sardhak word and nirardhak word. I will explain that one sardhak and one nirardhak. See example, ga and ja if we take, what is the sound of this both? If we mix it together then ga, ja, gaj. Gaj means elephant. Gaj means what? Elephant. Gaj means elephant. This letter having a sound, then it is a wild animal. It lives in the forest. We can explain this one, no? That's why it is a sardhak word. Okay. The next, if I write with ga and ka, gak, this word did not have any meaning. If we together written this and written this as if we give the header like this, it will become as a word. Okay. If we write separate, then ga and ka, these are separate letters. It comes as separate letters. Ga and ka. Ga, ka is there. But if we combined, means if we gave the header, 2 letters we mixed and given the header this type, it will become as a word. If we add a word, that particular word having particular meaning or not, we have to see this. Ga, ka, gak. Gak means no meaning. Meaning is not there. Meaningless means this word did not have any meaning. That's why this is a nirarthak word. Okay. Yesterday I explained some words. In that one also I am going to add today, and I am going to write first with swar letters, swar and another vyanjan. If we add the two, what is the sound coming? If that letter having a particular sound or not, I will explain. Okay, particular meaning or not, I am going to explain. See, first we can take a. See, a say anar. See, a say anar. How we read this one? No, one simple method and one hard one I will show. Okay. First without symbol. First without symbol words. No. Then say nothing was there. We took one letter. This is swar letter. This is vyanjan letter. No, this is swar letter. This is vyanjan letter. What I told you that in previous class, while writing the letters, you won't have to give the header first itself. You must have to give the shirorekha. Header means what? What is that? This is that. This is the header. Means a line. Understand? Then this line, when we have to give, when we finish a letter, when we finish writing of letters, compulsory we have to see the sound and what are the letters we are writing. The letters all you must have to write in order. Then you have to finish them with the header. Why we are writing this? Because some letters, see, some letters did not have full header. That's why if we add this type, see, why we are not giving the full and why we are giving half? Because this type another letter is there. What is that? This one? No, it comes as this one. Or otherwise, see how you are going to read. Then that's why we are giving the half header to some letters. While writing the word, compulsory you must have to see there, and where you have to give the full header and where you want. Then we can finish with a straight line, that header. Then what is the sound? What are the sound? How we have to pronounce this word? Separate these letters. Okay. Cut these letters. Okay. First, what is the letter? Then next, what is that? Ma. A plus ma is equal to. In maths, what you are doing? Both letters. If we written any number here, you are adding and giving the answer here. No? Same. What we are doing? We are adding these two letters and writing as a word. See? A plus ma. Am. Am is a seasonal fruit. It is a fruit. It is a seasonal fruit and coming in summer. No, everybody likes that mango. This is a meaningful word. No, that's why every letter, each letter, while writing the word, if you cut and write, then what are the sounds of those letters and how we are pronouncing. If you see that one, you can read easily any word then. Now next one, see. Some Vyanjan letters I am saying then. See some Vyanjan letters I am writing here. What is the letter? Gha and Ra. Gha plus Ra together. Both. Mix it. both add it and write on the paper. Then ghar, what is that? What we are saying? Gha. What is the sound? Gha. Which letter it is? It is Mahapran letter. Here it is Alpapran letter, Anunasik Vyanjan. No, here it is also letter. Then see, Gha plus Ra, Ghar. Okay, next. Kha plus Ra, Khar. Okay. The next. E and Kha. See this one? E. What is the sound? How many seconds you have to say? 4 seconds. Up to 4 seconds. And this is what? Mahapran letter. What is that? Mahapranakshar. E plus Kha. Eek. E plus Kha. Eek. See? E plus Kha. Eek, both sounds. This is for 4 seconds. This is Mahapranakshar. Eek. Eek. Eek means sugar cane. I am showing all the meaningful words then. Okay. Eek after Pha plus Na. Pha or Na. Phan. What is that? Pha plus Na. Phan. Phan means snake. See, this is what? Mahapranakshar and Anunasik Vyanjan. Next, Ga plus Ja. Both easy letters. See, Ga, Ja. Easy. Ga or Ja. Ga, Ja, Gaj. Gaj means elephant. Then next, Ba plus Ka is equal to Buck. Buck means crane, a bird. Okay. The next, Gha plus Ta. Ghat. Ghat means pot. See, here Mahapranakshar and here Alpapranakshar. Mahapran and Alpapran. Gha, Ta. Ghat. Ghat means pot. Next, Jha, another one. Jha plus Sha is equal to Jhash. What is the word? Jhash. Jha is a Mahapranakshar and Sha is a compound consonant. No? Then two together if you say, what is the sound? Jha or Sha. Jhash. Then Dha plus Na. Dha or Na. Dha is a Mahapran and Anunasik Vyanjan. Both sounds. Dhan. Dha or Na. Dhan. Then next, see again Mahapranakshar. Kha plus Ta. Khat. Khat means, Dhan means money, Khat means letter. Okay. The next, here Mahapran and Alpapran both. Next, Ba plus Sa. Ba or Sa. Ba, Sa, Bus. Ba plus Sa. Bus. The next, Ta plus Ba. Tub. Okay. The next, Ja. Both Alpapran letters. Ja plus Ga. Jug. Jug means jug only. The next, Cha plus Tra. Chhatra. means umbrella. The next, this one, another one, cha plus ta. Chat. Chat means roof. Then a plus ga. Aag. Then sa plus ra. Sar. Ja plus la. Jal. See, everywhere what are the letters and how we are adding and what is the sound of that one everywhere. If we cut and read that letter, it is easy to read a word. Am. Am means mango. What are the letters in this one? A plus ma. Am. Mango. A is for 4 seconds. This is and then next ma. Ma is for, it is anunasik vyanjan. Okay. A or ma. Am. Then gha plus ra. Ghar. Gha is a mahapran letter and ra is a consonant. Okay. Gha plus ra. Ghar. Then kha plus ra. Khar. Khar means, am means mango. Ghar means house. Then khar means donkey, a animal. Then next e plus kha. Eek. Eek means sugar cane. Eek. Eek is, e is for 4 seconds and kha is a mahapranakshar. Eek. Both sounds if we take, then what is the sound? Eek. Then what is the meaning of that one? That is a sugar cane. Then pha plus na. Phan. Pha is a mahapranakshar and na is a anunasik vyanjan. Pha na. Phan means snake. Then ga plus ja. Ga ja gaj. Ga plus ja gaj. Gaj means elephant. Then ba plus ka. Buck. Ba and ka. Buck. Buck means crane. Then next gha. Gha plus ta. Ghat. Gha ta. Ghat. Then next ghat means pot. Buck means crane and ghat means pot. Jha. Jha plus sha. Jhash. Jha and sha. Jhash. Jhash means fish. Okay. Then dha plus na. Dhan. Dha or na. Dhan. Dhan means money. Okay. Then next kha. Kha plus ta. Khat. Khat means letter. Khat means what? Letter. Ba plus sa. Bus. Ba sa. Bus. Bus means bus. Then next we are traveling in that one. No? That one. Then next ta plus ba. Tub. Ta ba tub. Tub means we are using to fill the water. That one. No? Next jug. Ja plus ga. Jug. Jug means a jug. We are filling the water and drinking with that one. The next cha plus tra. Chhatra. Cha or tra. Chhatra. Chhatra means umbrella. Okay. The next cha plus ta. Chat. Chat means roof. A plus ga. Aag. 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 The next aag means fire. The next sa plus ra. Sar. Sar means head. Okay. The next ja plus la. Jal. Jal means water. Okay children. See how many words I explained here. What is the sound of these letters and which letters come, which letters are hidden in that, and if we cut and read and write on the paper while writing, if we write this way, or if we are reading, if we cut and write this way, we can easily pronounce the word. What is the word and what is the sound of a word, we can know by reading or writing with this one. Okay children. Then today's topic to write Barakhadi. Okay, Barakhadi you can write up to ta to ma. Okay, for write the Barakhadi for 2 times on the paper and post in your concerned class group. Thank you children.